Hey, so you're a first-time visitor to my channel or my website. Awesome. Here's why you should subscribe. Whether you're a beginning investor or you own thousands of units, my promise to you is that I'm going to deliver content that will do the following. Number one, we'll show you how to find more deals to buy so you can smoke the competition. Number two, I'll show you how to win those deals when you're in a competitive bid against others. Number three, make you irresistible to brokers so they bring you every deal before anyone else. Now remember, multifamily brokers are responsible for over 90% of every multifamily closing over 10 units. Number four, I'll show you how to master every metric of every asset in all the markets you work in so that when an opportunity comes to you, you can respond to it immediately because you know the market so well. And number five, I'll show you how to sell those assets for market-setting prices. I'm Bo Beery, and as a multifamily broker, I've been exposed to extreme circumstances. On one hand, I've been in situations where I've seen opportunities missed, efforts wasted, and deals just crash and burn. On the other hand, I've been at the table with masterful deal makers. They've shown me how their unique approach enables them to see deals and make deals that others couldn't. The purpose of this channel is to make you a masterful deal maker, an elite investor. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's go.